If you're like me, you've found if you've planted just a few tomatoes and peppers, at the end of the growing season, you can have so many. And so what do you do with them all? Here's a simple salsa recipe that you're going to love. So what I like to use is 1 cup of tomatoes. As many different types of tomatoes, the better. Just adds to the flavor. A cup of red pepper. This is coarsely chopped, but if you like a finer salsa, then just chop the ingredients more finely. Then 1/4 cup of red onion. Got to have a little garlic, so we're adding a tablespoon of garlic and a teaspoon of jalapeno. Or if you like it hot, add some more. And if you love cilantro like I do, use 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro. You can go less if it's not your favorite herb, but I think it adds a nice touch. And then finally, the juice of half a lime and the juice of half a lemon. Then just mix it all together. I like to let this sit unrefrigerated for about an hour and let all those flavors come together. It's really good. I love to serve this on grilled fish or other types of meat, or you can just eat it with chips. Give it a try.